So just an update on where I'm at. Work and life stops me from doing this as much as I'd like. So I've stained the guitar, sanded at 240 grit. Sanded at 240 grit, and then I stained it twice, 2 coats, and then I sanded it again at 400. Let me see if the light's a bit better down here. Sanded it again at 400, and then I sanded it again at 600, and I used the you see the light, the grain in the light. You can't really. Actually, I really like the way the back looks at the minute. Stained it again at sanded it again at 600 wet and dry, and I used boiled linseed oil instead of water when I was wet sanding it, because another video said that when you're sanding it wet and dry and you use the linseed oil, the dust and the oil mix to fill in the pores of the grain, which is true because it's pretty smooth. After that though, the stain was a bit light, so I stained it again, and I haven't sanded it. I have been rubbing it with paper towel, because even touching off it is making my hands pink. So I don't want to sand it again because I don't want to lose the dark red colour. Also, I need to stop the excess stain coming off. I last stained this about 2 days ago, so it's well dried in. Pretty pleased with the colour and how the grain has come up. Just on these kits, noticing some imperfections. Let me see. You can sort of see, like this for example. Now I would have to really sand in to get that out, or it doesn't really bother me. It's on the inside, or it's on the inner fin. There's more of it there, and you can see, you can see, where is it now? Is it on this side? No, I think it's this side where it's machined. Now you can't really see it in this light. So, yeah, where it's machined, you can see those ridges. Again, if I had sanded harder, I could have got them out. And I may do. There, yeah. On my groovy slippers. Yeah, so I don't know. I was debating whether to do this because it's a nice satin finish at the minute. I was debating whether to finish it in oil, an oil finish, or a clear lacquer cellulose finish. I don't know which, but that's where we're at so far. I also had to route out these pickup cavities. Literally could not get the pickups in. Pickups go in all right, but in the position that they went in with the, I was explaining this right, with the pick guard. It wasn't happening. So it was sitting about there like that with the, if I didn't get the cavities routed, now it's able to go all the way to the neck as it is supposed to. So yeah, that has to be done. Also, my finger. Also, the neck angle, as I spoke about before, had to be adjusted as well. I also put a new nut on it, just under the tape there. So anyway, that's it so far.